Hello, today we will guide you through how to share Kaggle Notebook. To begin, open Kaggle in your web browser. This is where your notebooks, datasets, and other projects are stored, so starting from the main Kaggle site is the easiest way to access the work you want to share. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you are signed in to the correct account, since the notebook you want to share will be located inside your personal workspace. Next, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on your work. This section brings together the projects connected to your account, making it the quickest path to find notebooks you've already created. If you have several items saved here, you may need a second to scan through the list and identify the correct one. After that, click on the sample work, or in your case, the notebook you want to share. This will open the notebook so you can access its available actions and settings. Make sure you've opened the right file before moving on, especially if you have multiple notebooks with similar names. Once the notebook is open, go to the top right area of the page and click Share. This is the main sharing control for the notebook, and it's where Kaggle gives you options for how the notebook can be viewed or accessed by others. If you don't immediately see it, check the upper right corner carefully, since that's where action buttons are usually grouped. From there, select the appropriate sample option and then follow the on-screen procedure. Kaggle may present sharing choices such as visibility settings or access methods, and the exact options can vary depending on the notebook's current status. The important part here is to review the prompts carefully and continue through the steps shown on your screen. If you're sharing with others, it's a good idea to confirm the settings, match the level of access you intend to provide before finishing. And that's it. Once you complete the on-screen sharing process, your Kaggle notebook will be ready to share according to the options you selected. If something doesn't look right, you can usually return to the Share menu and adjust the settings again. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helped you successfully share your Kaggle notebook.